friends, welcome to Karishma's Recipe Cookbook. Today I am going to cook sweet and sour kadhi. I am taking 1 cup of plain yogurt, or you can use sour cream also. Three tablespoons of chickpea flour, I am adding now 1 cup of water. I put all the mixture in the grinder. I will grind until the smooth texture is ready. Now I am adding in one small pan 5 tablespoons of peanut oil. Make sure your oil is hot enough and put your stove on a low flame. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 5 cloves, 1 dried red chili, 4 or 5 curry leaves, one slice green chili, now I am adding your yogurt mixture. Now I am adding half cup of water because I don't want the mixture getting thicker. Half tablespoon of ginger paste, half tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, one teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, mix well all ingredients are together. Make sure your stove flame is on low. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, and salt to taste. Make sure you keep whisking all together. If you need more sugar, you can add more sugar. Now I am adding 2 pinch of asafoetida. Mix well, all ingredients are together. keep stirring with the spoon so your ingredients are not getting separated. Now sweet and sour kadhi is ready. Now I'm going to add some fresh coriander chopped. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Don't forget to press the icon bell. Thank you.